how is tourism right now as far as Davao region and Davao City is concerned despite the crisis na nasinapit natin karon?
Mabuhay Batayaw, the tourism industry still remains resilient, although it's undeniable na may effect yung ating fuel prices. But that really just poses, that even challenges us more to promote Davao City, especially when we talk about MICE, that when people come here, they don't just come for meetings, but they also come to experience our arts and culture.
Yes. How is, of course, the bookings for the hotels and resorts for the meantime while they're waiting sa ilang turn while visiting the tourist spots in Davao City and Davao region?
Right now, some partners have expressed that may mga cancellations, hindi naman yung maiiwasan. Especially yung ibang mga corporates who would opt for online meetings kaysa babiyahe pa nga sila. But still, there are still mga partners who are continuing with their bookings. Kaya may mga turista pa rin tayo coming here in Davao.
The expectations naman po for those non-Davaoenos alike, they will visit Davao City for the experience aside lang sa mga festivities na gina-offer karon.
Well, aside from our festivities, of course, Davao is very strong when it comes to MICE. Yun yung ating mga meetings, incentives, exhibitions, conferences, and exhibitions. And of course, we have new tourism circuits or activities na pwedeng ma-enjoy ng tourist natin.
Yeah, tunga-tunga naman ang 2026 for now, no? But of course, say expectations naman po for the further months, succeeding months for the up-and-coming festivities, especially sa Kadayawan po.
Well, right now, even if the city is busy preparing for Dual Davao, simultaneously, nagpa-plan na rin for the upcoming Kadayawan because again, we know it's the king of festivals. So preparations already starting with that, even if ongoing pa ang Dual Davao natin.
Yeah.